Now you can create image and video consistently without any issue in Canva. Hello people, welcome to this mind-blowing video, and in today's video I'm going to show you this new function on Canva that enable you to convert your images into video. And this is a new function that Canva just introduced in their app. If this is what you want to see and you're interested to know, please do well to stay to the end of the video and to subscribe to my channel and give this video a. If you are my old subscriber, thank you very much, because this channel you have been helpful and we are moving ahead to 1,000 subscribers. And if you are coming across this video for the first time, thank you for coming across this video, and please do well to subscribe and stay to the end of this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Then when you come to Canva interface, you click on Magic Edit. This is Magic Edit. Come down, then click on Text to Image, then say try it out. Then come here, take presentation, take 16:9, tell it to resize. Click on resize, click on presentation, click on continue, then come to this page, click on resize this design. So it's ready. What I'm going to do now is to, then you will come to text. This is text. Click on text, then take heading, then drop it here, reduce the size. Then here I've already typed all the things I want to type, like create setting. Then I've already tell it what I want it to generate as image for me, as a photo or image. Here I said one girl named Kosi, short coily brown hair, green eyes, pickles, smiling yellow sweater, overalls, arms crossed, small animated cheek character, front pocket, yellow background, and the portrait. Did you see? Then I come again, type activity character with this add heading. That is what I used to type this one on pink, all these ones on pink. That is what I use it to type on pink. I don't want to show all of them here so that this video will not be too long. The next thing is, when you finish typing this activity character, then you will use subheading to type the arms cross, even this world. Then also use the add heading to type your background image. Then what did I want? Okay, let me come to the image style. What did I want the image style to be? I want it to be in 3D pixel animation. The next thing is background image. How do I want the background image to be? I want the background image to be warm tone, cute style, soft lightning, and useful appearance. Then prompt generate 3D. Now this is the prompt I want to generate. So here I have to make up everything and bring them here, like copy this to this place, then put this 3D pixel animation first before I now put this one here. Then before I now put my how I want arm cross, small animated stuff like that. Before I now put portrait warm, I now put portrait warm tone, cute style, yellow background portrait, warm tone, cute style, soft lightning, youthful appearance. So now this is what I'm going to be working with. This information that I compile here is what I'm going to be working with. So I will go down, look for my magic media, which is this, click on it. It says enter 5 words plus to describe what I want. Then I'm going to copy this. I copy this, then to come and put it here. What will I do next? I will tell it to generate. First of all, before I tell it to generate, I have to look around, check if there is any mistake. If there is no mistake, the next thing is for me to tell it to generate. Let's wait for it to generate. Okay, so here I created my next page. Then what I will do is, let's first of all see how the image is. As you can see here, the image is like this because we have not turned it to video. Come here, look at all these images, they are all okay. So what you are going to do is to click on this triple dot here, then tell it to generate video. Did you see? You will see the video is generated. So I'm going to drag it out here, then expand it, play it. It's another page. Come back to this page. Right click on the third dot, tell it to generate. This is where we can create the prompt of all these images that we have created and turn them into video. I'm going to duplicate this page to create our prompts. Then remove all these ones. Bring these ones up. Then what am I going to tell it to do? Copy this down. Then this is where I'm going to make my changes here. I'm going to type what I want in this prompt. Then after I finish typing, I can make all these ones the same color. Then make this one black. So this is all my prompts that I generated. So let's animate this. Let's generate the video of this image. So after I finish, I right click and set image as background or set video as background. So I'm going to continue to generate the next prompt. Then here I'm going to duplicate the page again. So here I'm going to generate the next prompt. I'm going to write the thing I want to be in this prompt. Set the video as background. Wow, I think I like this. Let's play it and see. So the next thing here, I'm going to generate another prompt. So after I finish typing, I'm going to make these ones black. Then copy it. After I've copied it, I'll come back to this place, paste it. I'll drag it out because it generated the next prompt. Tell it to fit, set as background. Then edit it from here. Crop video. Okay, crop. Let's play it. Then I'll come back to the next page. Click another page. Come here. First of all, set generate as video. So I'm going to bring out the video here. Then right click to fit to page. click on the page, click on crop. So this is it.
So this is how you can create your video, from generating your text to generating your image to generating your video. If you get value in this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also share it for others to see. Then hit the notification bell so that when I post a video, you are going to be updated. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.